Alright, sorry for the delay between videos, but I've been a little busy working on other stuff. Like this dozer, need new steering clutches and brakes. Waiting for a brake band to show up for that. Been working on this old little forklift. It works pretty good, but fork sag. It's pretty handy for doing stuff like that dozer work. Spent a lot of the spring getting this old Austin Western grader going. It's 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel steer. It used to have an International engine in it, but that was seized, and the guy I got it from was putting a Detroit 453 in it. But that was seized, and then I put a Cat 1160 in it. It's been working pretty well. Today we're going to be putting a new alternator on this John Deere 350 dozer and resealing that cylinder on the backhoe there. Made my own backhoe mount since I didn't have one. And I'm going to be taking this out to the cabin to do some work. For the alternator, this has got a generator style on it with a remote voltage regulator. It's back over this way. And I don't know if it was ever charging because I never really checked it when I got it, but it's not charging now. And instead of trying to figure out if it's a regulator or the generator, and plus it's cheaper to buy, I just got a GM alternator that can be made to run self-exciting. Got some wires set up on it already. Because one, this is cheaper than just getting one of those, plus then, you know, figuring out if it's a regulator or not, and then if I can even still get one or I have to come up with a different regulator. So this is just way easier. I'll get rid of all this bulk of wires, and there'll just be this one wire that's going to go from the alternator to the battery post right there. And it looks like it's pretty close to bolt in, but I had on eBay, I got a 5/8 pulley, since this uses the wider ag belts, and you can only get these from the local parts stores with the standard 3/8 pulley or a serpentine. So I'm gonna pop that off, put that on, and then hopefully it should bolt in. This is just as wide as that is, so it should go pretty easy. Okay, I got that little green jumper I made that was going to go over to one of these two flat plugs in here. Over to one of these two flat plugs in here, because on the older alternators you had to run that wire over to excite it so it would regulate automatically. And since this one had a rubber plug on it, I was suspicious that it was already done internally, so you didn't need that jumper wire. And I just started it with that green wire just as it is now, and it came up, so I don't need it. So I'm just going to pull that green wire off, and I'll go over and show you it's charging. All right, show you it working. Broke this new loose while it was up there with that big wrench. I just gotta pull this out, which hopefully will be easier than I'm thinking. And then put all new seals and stuff on it. Well, yeah. Oh, I don't want to do this. Oh, maybe do that. That might be a good idea. Alright. I was worried about. It's too stiff for me to pull out by hand. So I'm going to see if I can rig something up to push it out. Alright, I guess we're probably going to make a huge mess. I tried hooking an air hose up to push it out, and it wouldn't push it out, so I hooked the hydraulic lines back up, and I'm going to try and ease it out. And then hopefully it doesn't blast out or make a huge mess. Break that. Okay. I got that big bolt out of the end. I had to put a wrench on it and a big pipe stand on it and brace it under here. So now I just got to get all of the, get the piston off, get the top seal plate off, and then pop the seals out and put new ones in. Okay. Alright, got all the seals, new seals on. Now we just gotta slip it into here. Where'd my wrench go? There we go. It's going. That was a workout. We're gonna get a little more of a workout. There we go. Alright, finally got her all back together. Now, we're going to see if it leaks. Looks like no leaking. Now I'm going to move it back.